the recording. So here you will be get your packet detail, right? Here in the packet detail, you will be get here. You are getting packet through VSys1, application type, protocol, USS apply or not, right? And after that here, flow one, client to server, server to client means reply, whatever reply we are getting from the client, right? So here you will be get from source zone to destination zone, right? So here you will be get all these information. But guys, here you will be get in this section only your live packet. Okay. If you want to check your old packet, any log, so you have to check here in the traffic section here, right? So I think right now we didn't have any traffic. So let me generate that. Okay, we are getting here few logs. So these log we are getting 0.10 from our PC to these all are the broadcast message, right? So let me click here, or let me generate some traffic from here or test PC. Ping 4.2.2.2. Okay, so it's good, guys. We are not getting internet access on our test PC. So we can troubleshoot this thing, right? How we will we start the troubleshooting? So first of all, guys, we will be check hope to hope connectivity. First of all, we have to check L1 connectivity is working or not, so that we will be check with the interfaces up or not. Okay. Second thing you can do here, try to ping your own IP address. Okay, I'm able to ping my own IP address. So second step, we have to ping our gateway. Gateway is our Palo Alto firewall. Okay, 0.1. Let's ping this. Gateway, we are able to communicate, right? So that means so here to here, we are able to make the connectivity. So from here to, we will try to ping our WAN interface, right? So now we will be try to our ping our WAN interface, which one is 10.11. Ping. What's wrong with this ping? Why like this? Ping to 10.19.10.11. Okay, I am able to ping also this gateway, right? So now across the firewall, our traffic is working. So only we are not able to ping this one, right? So what is the reason, guys, here? First, we can assume maybe the routing, because from here trust to untrust, our communication is working. We are able to ping our WAN traffic, right? Second thing, guys, so now we will be check the routing. So guys, here we have routing, netting, and security policy. Regarding security policy, guys, we are sure security policy is working. If security policy is not working, then we are not able to ping our untrust interface, right? Internet route, guys, we have also route, right? So now let's go to monitor section. Okay, filter is for VPN rule. So we will be capture our internet facing traffic. Okay, then we will be check what is the issue with that packet. So guys, remember, whenever you are trying to troubleshoot, try to troubleshoot from the L1. L1 means first of all check the physical connectivity. Okay, then L2 and then L3. Right? L2 we didn't have too much things. Only in L3 we have to check everything: route, policy, netting. Right? Let's see this here. Let's generate few more packets. Okay, here we are getting the packet. You can see here 0.10 to 4.2.2. Packet is allow internet access, right? Edge out. There is no issue. Let's open this packet. So guys, here we can see source user is 0.10. Destination is this. But guys, you can see here, we didn't have NAT here. This IP address is not getting translated. That's why we are not able to communicate with this. Okay. So let's go to NAT section. So here we have to configure the NAT. Oh, here we didn't have NAT rule. So LAN NAT. We are going to translate our LAN network. So let's add here trust to untrust or in packet translation dynamic IP. Right. So here guys, interface one IP address. Let's take this IP address. So this one is for our primary. Okay. Right. And commit. So here guys, first of all, in the monitor section, in the log, you will get all the information. Your packet is getting translate or not, right? Allow by any rule or not, right? So that information you will be get there. And as per that, then you can take the action. So guys, here in the Palo Alto, one important thing, with the help of this dashboard, only you can monitor the data plane traffic. You cannot you cannot monitor your management plane traffic. Okay, management plane traffic is separate. Okay, that we have to monitor through CLI. For that, we have option only CLI. Okay, or there are the different type of log, and you have to check them. Okay, guys, here we have to use the static. And let's translate this one with the 210.19.10.15. One second, guys. Let me check this one as the primary device or okay, local primary. Right, this one is the primary device. So guys, here basically we have to configure net for both firewall. This one is the primary and another one is the secondary, right? So let me access also secondary firewall. So I will shut down that firewall. So otherwise we have to make the twice configuration for both firewall. Okay, wait guys. Here we have to use the floating IP address only. Here in the translated packet, interface one. Here in the IP address, I will be use the floating IP address. So that IP address will be float on the both firewall. 210. Okay. And let me use this one is for both. Or this one is our device ID 0. Let me use for 0 only. Or guys, if you want to check this configuration is right or not, so you can use the validate commit. Okay. So it will be not push your configuration. It will be only cross check the configuration is right or not. Suppose that guys here we are not getting this one is getting queued. Okay, so we have to check what is the status of this. For that we can use command one command here, show job all. Oh, validation is in pending. This one is showing 0%. Let's wait. Yes, I didn't understand why this one is getting 3 validation. 3 validation process. Now we are 3 queued, pending, but we uh, validate only one time. Okay, 55% is completed here. So let's wait for complete this. Okay, so this one is working. Now let's commit this. So this firewall is also up. So basically, this commit process is taking time here. So let me check what is the reason behind that. Why this one is taking too much time? Hmm, memory utilization is guys very high here. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me turn off the few devices here. So guys, suppose that if you want to shut down your firewall remotely, so you have option here, device setup operation and shutdown. Yes. So it will be take some time and the your device will be shut down. And let me, this one is the hardware. In the few model guys in Palo Alto, you didn't get any power on off button, right? So in that case, you have only option is remove the power cable. Like most of the Cisco switches, you will get only power, remove the power cable option. In the Palo Alto firewall 400 series, all the model you didn't have power on off button, just you have to remove the power cable to hard turn off that firewall. Okay, so this one is now shut down. Guys, 1 second. Let me check why we are getting this error here. So this is net rule and net interface do not have IP address source translation. So basically, guys, this one is static net. No, we don't want to perform static net, right? 1 second, let me check the device ID of this one device. Device ID is 0 and this one is the primary. Right, let me go back to the policy. Interface translation, we will use this interface, IP address, right? Floating IP address. Let me use this interface IP address. Okay, or both firewall are shut down. If guys still it's not working, then what we will do, we will be remove the high availability from here. Because of the active high availability, we are not able to perform this. Because guys, in case of high availability, we have to configure also virtual IP address. Okay, that one is also on the LAN, right? Yeah, priority warning. So till that guys, let me check one more thing here. How many public IP addresses? Sorry, I can't check from here. I have to check from my system. 11, also available. So guys, here actually the netted IP address we have available only 11 or 12. Okay, remaining IP address are not available here. So guys, here in the Palo Alto, most of the time when your 99% is commit is completed, and you will start getting the reply from here. Okay. So now we are getting the reply, and we can capture the packet. Still, guys, if any case, right? If you are not getting the reply back, right? This time we are getting the reply. Suppose that if still you are not getting the reply from maybe asymmetric routing, some another thing, in that case, what we will be do? So here what we have to do, we have one more option, packet capture. So basically here in the packet capture, what happened? It will be capture your all the packet like sync, okay, and acknowledgement, right? So we have to apply the filter here. Add. So guys, here you can see here on the Palo Alto side, you can capture the packet here. Drop, firewall, receive, transmit, right? So here you have to set the filter where you want to apply the filter. First, first filter. On which one interface you want to apply, Ethernet 1 or 2? Let me apply on the Ethernet 2, which one is our LAN side. So here you have to mention your source IP address, right? So let me apply. My source IP address is 2.168.0.10, right? Destination, if you know, suppose that let me apply for 8.8.8.8. Okay. So particular, if you want to apply for any particular port number, so you can apply there. Okay, this one is your when your packet is going from inside to outside, right? Now we have to capture the packet when packet is coming from outside to inside. So that time let me use 8.0.0.0. So but guys, here we have one more thing. So let's apply this as it is. Right, 192.168.0.10. So this one is our reverse packet. So let me create here a small diagram. This one is my Palo Alto firewall, internet, and my PC. Ethernet 2, Ethernet 1. So right now I'm going to capture the packet on this interface. So we will be check we are receiving the packet or we are sending the packet. Means when your this PC is sending packet to internet, we are able to send or we are able to receive. So we will be capture that thing here. Okay. And done. So we set where we have to capture the packet. Now here we have to set which type packet you want to capture. If packet is dropped, okay, save. If packet is received, means incoming packet, receive. In case of transmit, sorry, first we have to select the parameter, then we have to give the file type. Okay. So we have all these parameters here and turn on your packet capture here. You have to click on this. Okay. Right. And also turn on this. So right now guys here, we didn't have any packet for that 8.8.8. Ping 8.8.8.8. Okay. Let's send the packet. We have forward 4 packets. Okay. Refresh this. See guys, here we get receive and transmit. We didn't drop any packet on the firewall. So now, 1 second guys, I have to download Wireshark for this. And guys, if you install the portable Wireshark, this one is also a good option to capture the packet, right? So only anywhere for the troubleshooting purpose, Wireshark is the best option. Here you can check your complete packet. Okay, it will be download within 2 minutes. Till that, we will download our this file. To download this file, guys, you have to just double click on this file. Automatically, file is downloaded here. right? Show folder. This one is yeah. I'm getting the Wireshark option here. Let me click. I think on this PC. Yeah, we have Wireshark, guys. No need to download. Asking for update. No need to update. See, guys, here we are getting the. This one is the ICMP ping request reply request reply request reply. We are getting all the packet here, right? So in this way, guys, you can capture your packet here. You have this first option, and second thing, guys, don't forget turn off this packet capture. Otherwise, what happened? Let me cancel this. It will be increase the number of packet here. Continuously, it will be capture the packet from this source to this destination. Right now, we are not generating. You can see 710. Suppose that if we start the continuously ping means in the production, continuously packet are going to trigger on your this destination. So this file size will be increased. See, okay. So this one is the guys first option. So now let me turn off this. Okay, if you want to delete this file, select the file and delete. Okay. Now guys, if you want to check, you have NAT, you have route, you have security rule for any packet. For that, you have to go on the device. So here, guys, you will get one troubleshoot option. This. So this troubleshoot option is very vast, guys. So here you can check all these things here, right? Trace route, ping. Suppose that you want to check security match. You have security policy for this or not? From where, which source to which destination? Okay, if you don't know, suppose that what happened? Client told this one is my IP address. Suppose that client told 192.168.0.10 is my IP address. I'm not able to access the internet. Okay, so what you will do? You will put here source IP address 92.168.0.10. Okay, for internet purpose, what you will do? You will put here 4.2.2, right? Because from client, we cannot ask them every time, okay, check the internet, you are able to ping or not. So what we will do? We will put here packet. So destination port, we can check on port number, right? TCP and execute this thing. So this one is running the test. So here, guys, you can see VPN rule is responsible for this. Okay, we are getting also through this connectivity. You will get complete rule detail here. Traffic is allowed. Same way, if you want to check some another thing, let me try for the ping. Right? Destination host 4.2.2.2. We are able to ping this or not. Let's try this. Ping result. You can see host unreachable. Why we are getting this host unreachable? Because what happened from where this PC generate the host? As I told you guys, if you are trying to generate from this system. So every time Palo Alto firewall will generate the traffic from its management interface. And guys, our management interface is not connected with the internet. Okay, because this network 10.0.0 is not able to reachable to internet. So in this way, guys, you can check this thing here, right? So here, guys, you have routing option. Suppose that if you want to check forwarding table, right? Routing fib, destination. If you want to check any particular IP address, that IP address is going through which routing table. So suppose that I will give the 210.19.10.1, right? So virtual route. Here we have to select which one route, virtual route. We have only this virtual route. So execute this. You will get the routing table detail here. So this one is our routing table. Traffic is going through this interface, data plane 0, source is this. So we are able reachable to this. This one is the way to check the routing. Okay. If you want to check the your packet are allowed or not. For that, you can check the source here, right? This one is the thing to capture your packet. And guys, second thing here, if we go to the policy, so there is guys policy optimization. Policy optimization, guys, if you want to check unused rule, used rule, so you can see here, guys. This feature is getting after version 8.1, 9 or 10, all the version you will be get this rule here, right? This thing here, unused rule. So right now, guys, you can see we are getting one unused rule. So let's click on this. Which one is unused rule? Intrazone default. So guys, this rule we cannot delete. Okay, only we can override this rule, right? So let me go back to the security rule. So suppose that if your organization manager told you you have to check which one rule is not in use from last 10 days. So in that case, guys, what you have to do, just reset this hit count to 0, right? Then you can monitor your rule for the next 1 or 2 days. Then you will get the information which one is the unused rule, right? So in this way you can do, and suppose that they told you, okay, you have to delete that rule. So best practice, guys, don't delete that rule immediately, because maybe that one will be impact your organization, right? Maybe few employees they are on leave from the last 10 days, they will become after 15 days, and after that they stop. So you can temporarily disable this rule from here, right? Whatever the disable rule, you can see this one is showing in the blur and italic font. See, okay. So if anyone is not able to access, so you can enable this rule again from here, right? So guys, here you have only these troubleshooting rules. And guys, here we have also one more to tab ACC, application command control. In this tab, guys, you can get the traffic flow. Okay, here in this our firewall, we will get only few information because we didn't have license. Okay, application category. Okay, user active. So which is active, right? So you can see, guys, your traffic. Which one is the mostly used traffic? SSL, right? This way. Then you will be get the traffic. You will be get traffic source source user, because we didn't have configured the user identity here. So we are getting receive bit and send bit. Okay. So after that, guys, source IP address. We have only one source IP address. This one is okay, destination. So we are sending traffic to all these destinations, right? Here, guys, we will get also country detail also. All these are the countries. Okay, we are trying to communicate with all these countries, right? So here, and here, guys, you will get also which one rule is most commonly used. And here, guys, on this 1 second, traffic tab, we will be get that tab also here. Okay, that we will get in the monitoring tab. Here, monitoring tab, here is the summary option. In this, guys, you will get few more information also. See, guys, 60 minute. Okay, this one is the packet. Okay, bandwidth. Which one type of protocol is using? SSL, DNS, QUIC. So by basically, guys, if you read about this QUIC, this one is the Google protocol. So basically, this one is forwarding your TCP packet over the DNS for the fast communication, right? So you can see the graph here, which one is using the most commonly. And you can see bandwidth. Okay, what time is the maximum bandwidth? Okay, by 7. So this graph you will be get here. Somewhere it will be helpful for your troubleshooting. Okay. So you can see here session. Okay, top 10, top 15. You can see all that session here, right? This one is only way to change your chart, how you want to change that, right? This one is the for the IPsec, right? Only one session is here. This one is the your IPsec IPsec VPN detail here. right? So basically here in the ACC, here you will get multiple option like thread activity. If you have any thread activity here, you can get that information also here, right? Thread, block activity, tunnel activity, here you will get all that information here. No data, guys, because of we didn't have license. That's why, yeah. Let's check the tunnel activity. Because of the license, guys, we are not getting that tunnel activity here, right? And this after that, guys, here report, you will get the report here, right? Which one report you want to see? Traffic report. Click on this. Which one? Traffic, top user. Okay, user we cannot check. Vulnerability. Okay, okay. Attack. This one is the thread traffic report. Right? This one is the thread. Okay, source. You can see top source because right now we have only one source, security rule. So you can see both the security rule report here, right? How much traffic is used by this security rule. Source zone, only the trust. Uh, Ingress interface, just we have only one interface. Destination, we will be check for the destination. Destination source, traffic. We are not getting also destination country wise. Let's check. Here only, guys, this one is for VPN, this one is the United States. Most of the traffic is going for the US. And you can export this report here. How you want to export for PDF, in which one format you want to export this. So you can export this report here. All right. So next thing, guys, if we are going to check all these things from CLI, right? So guys, here for CLI, as I told you, but to monitor the your management traffic, you didn't have any option in the GUI. So only just you have only one option. Sorry, here in the monitor tab, this system. System means your management lane related and VPN related connection, high availability related connection. That information you will be get here. This information you will be get completely without license, right? But suppose that I want to check which one user is trying to make the communication with trying to access my firewall, right? Basically, guys, here we have to use TCP dump command. After that, this and our host, host, right? What is the 10.0.0.50? Close the bracket and this. 1 second, guys. Why I'm getting this? I think after the host, we have to use filter. Filter. Control C. So we have captured how many packet here? 10 packet, right? So we have captured that 10 packet. After that, to check the packet, what we have to do? We have to use here one more command. View, 1 second, view management PCAP, management this. So see guys, let me expand this. So we can see all the communication from this source. This one is trying to SSH, right? We are getting the flag and HTTPS, right? So we are getting connection from the this 10.0.0.10. This one is our communication. Which one is we are trying to filter here. So guys, here you have multiple options. This filter you can apply. Right now, I just show you only apply the filter for the port, sorry, IP address. Now I'm going to show for the any particular port. Suppose that you want to check for SSH. So here you have to mention port. Which one is 22? Close this. See. Okay. After that, stop this. We have captured 8 packet. Use again same command. Okay. Here we are getting that SSH session here. All the SSH session. So here guys, in place of this, let me check if we use the question mark, it will be work or not. So this one is the example guys. Right? If you want to mention source, network and port. Okay. So here for the source, we will be use SRC. Let me show you uh, um, SRC source host. I will be mention 10.0.0.10. Close the bracket. Sorry. SRC host. Host means here source IP address. Right? Even you can give the direct IP address here. Close this bracket. Enter. Oh. Okay. So guys here to stop this you have to press Control C. We capture the 3 packet. Okay. 3 packet from this source. Now I am going to capture for the destination 50. After that, stop this for this destination. We are getting the output, right? So in this way, you can use the source, destination, host, everything you can apply here, right? So guys, this one is for your management plane, okay? After that here, guys, view. So you can see here all these information, whatever you want to apply here, right? If you want to check thread, application group, so let me try our application group, PCAP. So basically, if we apply this, it will be capture lot of packet, right? Right now, we didn't have capture here. So basically, if you are going to capture here from the CLI, it's a little bit tough. So best thing to monitor the application, use the traffic in the GUI. So here you will get all the application detail in this section. And guys, all these tabs you can customize as per your requirement. Like this one is the source dynamic application group. Okay, this one is a necessary tab. These are not required. So you can go here and you can uncheck this. This. If you want to anything, suppose that here, which one is the required field, which one you should use, that one is the ingress or egress interface information. We are getting that these packets from which interface. So SD-WAN policy we didn't have. This one is not required. This one is not required, not required, right? So we need only egress or ingress interface. Let me search. Where is that? Oh, this one is not required. Packet capture not required. One second, guys. Okay, ingress interface. Also egress interface now. This. So basically these two things are required. So we will find out from which source packet is going and which source packet is coming. So to get this information, this one is required. So most probably for the production guys, even dynamic user group, this one is not required, right? So what is the benefit of apply this filter? Your page will load very quickly. If you include here a lot of information, like in place of 20 log, I'm using the 100, then it will be take long time to load this page. Okay, then it will be take long time. It's an unnecessary thing. Which one you will be apply here, right? So packet capture I already show you. This one is not required, guys, here, right? So next thing, let me go to here, right? CLI. So system information. Here you will get your system information, your system uptime, all the system detail you will get here in this, right? 1 second, guys. Now, previously, guys, I used the hit count 0, right? Now, let's see. Now we are getting the hit count once again on the firewall, right? And the second thing, guys, suppose that if you want to check all these 16 application, which application we are using. So right here, we are using the 16, all these 16 application. Now, we know we are using only these 16 application. Apart from this, we are not going to use any other application. So what we will do, we will add this, okay? Add to this rule, right? All these applications we are going to add in the same rule, right? Create a clone of this rule. So we can use, if you want to add in this rule, let's click add, okay, and done. See guys, now here we have all those applications, right? Directly. You can commit this and execute. Okay, let's wait for the commit. Then we will check apart from these application, we are not able to open any other application here. Okay, guys, this one is done. So now guys, I will show you here a few commands, which one you can note down also, right? Like if you want to check the routing, system information related, okay? So suppose that you want to check system license, request license information, right? We didn't have any license guys here. So this one is the command to check the license. If you have license, so you can check that, right? And after that, guys, if you want to check system information, I already show you. Now, if you want to check the system resources, so for that, show system, right, resources. So it will be show you the CPU utilization. Okay, user, which is your which daemon is using how much percentage of your CPU utilization. That information you can check here complete, right? So basically, this information is helpful if you want if your system is getting heavy CPU utilization, right? This one is getting the information for your last 5 day, one user is running loaded version. This all information you will be get here with the help of show system resources, right? If you want to check show system, okay, disk space. So okay, so you can see We have size 6.9 GB, approx 7 GB, 4.5 is usable, available is 6. Okay. So guys, here show system file, right? Here we are getting the file, or which file you are saving here, right? All the file you will get here, which file you are saving in this, right? Now, if you want to check the route, how many route you have on the your firewall? Show route, routing route. So you can see guys here, right? This one is our default route. So you can see guys here, flag. This flag is helpful to identify what type of route we are using. And the flag abbreviation you can check here. S means here static route. C means connected. Where is the C? This H means our IP address, which one is assigned on our system. This. Okay. So whatever the host you are seeing here, that one is the IP address assigned on your system, right? So this one is the information guys here related to this. Now, second thing, if you want to see your VPN tunnel, okay, for that guys, show VPN tunnel, enter. So guys, this one is our tunnel name, right? This one is our tunnel, which one IKE gateway tunnel we are using. Okay, this one is the tunnel name, this one is the IKE gateway, right? So guys, now if you want to see phase one and phase two, right? Phase one is known as a IKE, right? Phase two is known as a IPsec. So we have these two things. So we have to check, right? Suppose that first of all you want to see what protocol and what algorithm you are using in the phase one. So for that we are using show VPN IKE SA security association. So you can see here guys, IPsec tunnel, right? IKE gateway. We are using these algorithms here, right? The both side we should have same algorithm. Then we will be our VPN is working properly. So guys, 1 second. Let me scroll up. Okay, now we are getting the and status is established, right? If you want to check phase two, show show VPN. 1 second, guys. Show VPN IPsec. IPsec security association. Oh, for this we need more. Let me up arrow. Okay. So guys, here this one is also tunnel is working, right? So here in this phase you will be get also which algorithm you are using. ESP G256 is the algorithm we are using in this one, right? So after that, guys, if you want to also, yeah, as I told you guys, this system is not able to ping internet, ping host 4.2.2.2. Right? We are not able to reachable because guys, this time the firewall is sending packet from your management interface, right? So what we have to do, our LAN or WAN both interface are connected with the internet. So what we will do here, ping source. We have to mention source, then host, right? You can see we are able to communicate with our internet, right? So this one is guys to check your connectivity with internet, right? So these are the few basic troubleshooting here, which one we are going to perform here on the Palo Alto firewall, right? This one is enough to monitor your packet. Apart from this, guys, to check your packet and to check the session on your firewall. We didn't have anything extra, right? Only there are the two, three options. First is the this monitor tab. Here you can check your traffic. And if you didn't get any information from there, then check the CLI. Here, guys, what happened sometime? Let me show you. If we remove that net, right? Let me remove that net again. Then we will see. We will check here few basic things. Let me disable this net. So basically, guys, now what happened? Our PC will send the request to internet, but internet cannot send reply back, right? So after that, what happened? We will see the packet. We will capture that packet. What's the output we will be get here? So this one is the last topic. Okay. Tomorrow, guys, if you are interested, I can give you overview idea of Panorama. So basically, guys, without license, we cannot add the firewall to Panorama. Yeah, but I can show you all the option of Panorama, right? How we are going to manage that. Okay, Panorama firewall. Let me check this one is working here or not. Okay, let me start this. So basically, guys, now as per our configuration, our packet source is sending packet to destination, right? We didn't have NAT, and we will be capture the packet here also. Then we see the output. So our last packet is sending to 4.2.2. Time is 7:45. Now I am trying to send to 8.8.8. I am not getting output here. Two packets are dropped. But here in the monitor tab, if we check, okay, everything is good, right? Packet is allowed, but we don't know what is the issue, why we are not getting the reply packet here. So here what we have to do, we have only one option, capture the packet, right? In the traffic, you see we are able to forward packet from source to destination, right? And now we don't know where the packet is dropped. So here we have to check our packet in two places. First is this, second is this, right? So we have already packet filter for this. So let's check. So first of all, we are checking on interface 2. So we will check here, we are sending packet or not. Okay. Guys, here we are getting also few packets are dropped, right? Let's download and see what type packets are dropped on our firewall. Oh, these are some type of broadcast. Okay, L2 packets are getting dropped here. So leave this. This thing doesn't matter. Turn on the packet filter. Okay. Refresh. Because right now we didn't forward any packet. So let's try send the packet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So packet are sent. Let's refresh this. See guys, we are receiving the packet from this on this interface. Let's check that received packet, download this, received one, and open. See guys here, echo request is sending from 0.10 to 8.8. This is this. Okay. So that means on our firewall, we are receiving the packet when PC is sending to this. Okay. But transmit packet, which one packet we are expecting from internet to this side. So that packet we are not receiving. So we have to make sure we are receiving that packet on this interface or not, Ethernet one, right? For that, what we have to do? Delete this. Yes, turn off the filter. Let's delete all the packet. Now we have to change this filter from interface 1, sorry, 2 to 1. Again, right? If source is this, destination is this, destination is this, source is this, we are getting the packet or not? Again, here, guys, we have to capture here receive, transmit, drop. Okay, these packets. First, we have to generate the packet. Okay, all three filter on. Let's see, guys. On this, we are getting also transmit packet. Transmit, open. See, guys, here we are getting also 0.10 to 8.8. So that means only our firewall is sending packet to from firewall to internet. But from internet to this 10.0.0, we are not getting the reply packet, right? So that means from internet side, we are not getting reply. So for this thing, then you can check here. What is the problem with this packet? Why we are not getting the reply? Because first thing, your internet don't know where is this private IP address. Okay, definitely that means there is no netting. That's why you are not able to capture the packet here. Okay, so sometime guys, what happened? We are able to find forward the packet from source to destination. This way we are getting. Okay, if you check, yeah, everything is fine. And guys, here we can apply one more filter. So then in that case, no need to capture the packet here. You can identify that thing here. So here we have option forgets like that. Receive bit and send bit. Oh, receive bit, send bit. So guys, now you can see here, we are getting the send bit, but receive bit 0. That means we are able to send the packet, but we are not receiving. That means we have only one way communication. So now you have to figure out, maybe this internet site you didn't have route, right? This one is our internet. That's why we are not getting. So if this one is your communication with the any branch office, right? From branch office, why you are not getting packet back? Maybe there is a firewall that one is blocking your traffic. If there is no internet, then maybe your traffic is blocked. So there is a multiple reason. First of all, you have to give the justification. Okay, we are able to forward the packet. See, we are sending the bit. We are not getting the receive packet. So you can discuss this thing with your ISP and your branch office engineer who is working on the another side. If you are also managing the second firewall, so then you can apply the same filter on that. Check you are receiving the packet on that firewall or not. Okay. If you are receiving, then you can check why we are not able to send the packet, right? Then you have to find out. So this one is the way, guys, how we will be troubleshoot this, right? This one is a simple, guys. First, you have to just give the justification you are able to send the packet or not. Send bit, that means we are able to send the packet from our firewall. There is not blocker from our side. So that means now issue is the second side, ISP and whatever the second side, right? And this is the way how you can perform the troubleshooting on your firewall. Okay. So guys, do you have any question regarding this? How to perform the troubleshooting? What is the issue with your firewall? So let me know. And our panorama is on. So let me log in. Okay, this one is showing incorrect. So let's wait for 4 minutes. Okay. After that, we will try to log in on this. And then tomorrow, guys, here in the demo, we can add some fake information, just we cannot commit. So you will get some idea how you have to register firewall, what things are there. So basically, this one is your centralized management. How you are going to manage your Panorama firewall from centralized, right? Like here we have one, two, three, four firewall. How you are going to manage all these four firewall from your Panorama, right? This thing you can check here. Let me try to log in again. Mhm. So guys, if you have any question regarding this, let me know. No, let me try once again. Okay, still incorrect. Mhm. Password. Let me check, guys, if maybe I'm using the wrong password. Let me cross check that. Okay. Palo Alto firewall admin. For Panorama, they didn't have give, but as I know, it should be also admin. So let's guys wait more minutes. After that, we will be check. Okay, just for cross check, guys. Palo Alto, Panorama, default. Admin, guys. There is no option. Okay. Don't worry, guys. If this one is not working, then tomorrow I will deploy Panorama on my system. Okay, then I will show you all the option there, how to add the firewall. Okay, how we can manage, what is the group. Okay, so all these things we will be check that. Admin, still incorrect. Okay, we will try by 8 a.m. here. And guys, tomorrow I will share the document with you like lab guide and admin guide. And guys, here, if you have Palo Alto account, okay, so there is this one is beacon. Here you will be get the Palo Alto related lot of document, but for this you have to log in or registered, right? Partner registered, customer registered. If you are partner, so you can register from here. If you are customer, so you can register from here, right? This one is the how to register your account. If you want, I will share this link with you. Copy, let me paste here. Oh guys, I'm not able to paste this. Let me open my on my system. On before that, let me try last time. This password is working or not. No, guys, I think they changed this password. Admin. Okay, tomorrow I will deploy the another panorama here from my side. Then I will show you. Okay. So this link. Let me close this tab. Mhm. This one is the link, guys, here. And here, guys, you will be get all the topic as certification wise, right? There is a different topic. Here you will not get any video, but here in this, guys, you will be get the PPT type document, but you cannot download that, right? But remember, guys, you should be the partner or customer. If anyone of you, then you can easily download from here. Okay. So guys, now we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we will be cover the panorama and I will share with you the lab guide and study guide. And one more thing guys here, let me check. So guys, Palo Alto have one Slack channel. Okay, so you can download, join this free of cost. Right here, you will be get the lot of document like what this one is the troubleshooting document. Let me download this. What is exactly in this? 13 MB document. Right? Anyone can join this. Okay. Open content folder. Okay, domain 6. Side to side VPN interface, tunnel decryption. So here you will get all these topic, right? This document, gateway. So you can see all this information here, right? VPN. So basically in this, they have covered how many topics? 1 second. Availability policy, global protect, user ID, troubleshooting route, decryption interface, right? All the commands, whatever I show you. So you will get all those commands. So like here in this guys topic wise, you will be at the different. This one is the troubleshooting and here PCS exam, okay, management and operation. What is the things here covered? So I will download all these documents, then I upload here on one Google Drive, then I will share with you tomorrow. Okay. So this guys. Right. Okay. So this document, I have to check even what document. These documents are shared by the Palo Alto here. Okay. So I will share these documents. These are the updated document. And then you can study also. These are the exam prospective document only. Right. So this one is the guys all about today's batch session. Now we will continue tomorrow. Okay, guys. So good night, guys. Take care. Bye.